Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install driver for Logitech HD webcam, and the model number is C270. So open this link in a browser, go to Logitech website. The link is provided in the video description, and over here you can go ahead and type in the model number. So just type in HD webcam C270 and then click on this HD webcam C270 model number, and on this page go to the downloads, click on downloads, now over here you can see Windows version right now is 2.12.8 and Mac is 3.0.23, and it is supported on Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. So click on download now. Exe file will download. You have to go ahead and run this exe file once the download is complete. Now in case if you want the Mac version, click on show all downloads and then select the Mac OS. Now here you can see OS Mac 11, 10.15, 10.14. so click on download now, and then once the file is downloaded you can go ahead and run the file. So this way you can go ahead and install the driver, and once the driver is installed, restart your computer and that should go ahead and help you to install the driver successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.